There are many factors in a hearing aid which contribute to speech understanding. It is very important that hearing aids can be adjusted to offer speech clarity in the most demanding environments, such as a food court, a busy restaurant, or an airport counter. Today, I will simulate a demanding situation to demonstrate how UltraFocus helps speech clarity coming from in front in a very noisy environment. We will listen to two different sets of hearing aids, ReSound One and another brand, using the same sounds and sound levels in the environment. First, let's listen to the other brand while I speak. Hi, thanks for meeting me today. How are you? It's very noisy in here, so I hope that you can hear what I'm saying. Now I've replaced the hearing aids with ReSound One. Let's listen to the same scene. Hi, thanks for meeting me today. How are you? It's very noisy in here, so I hope that you can hear what I'm saying. As you can hear, the UltraFocus feature allows ReSound One users to enjoy conversations in the toughest environments, which they might have avoided in the past.